everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank Luvme Hair for sponsoring this video and sending me over this super cute highlighted bob. You guys, this is a glueless 5x5 closure wig. It is an HD lace and the lace was pre-bleached as well. This wig is not glued down, y'all. It's not glued down. It is just laid to perfection. The hairline looks so natural and just effortless. Absolutely effortless. I love it. If you guys want to see me install this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll put that right over here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this quick install, y'all. All right, you guys, we have a Luvme wig. Let's get this started. All right, so inside the packaging will look like this. We got two beauty blenders. We got some curlers. We have a Luvme baby hair brush, really cute. Wig caps. I think this is an edge wrap. The branding is top tier over here. We got some cards, a wig bag, of course. You need these to store your wig, you guys. All right, and of course we have the wig. This is a highlighted bob. It is a glueless wig. It is a 5x5. So the lace is looking like this. Looks like it is a little bit pre-plucked. The knots might be a tad bit bleached, not too much. The highlights are really beautiful. Let's get into these highlights. Yes, the knots are bleached. As you can see, there is 4 combs in here. One down here as well, and then one at the back of the lace. You also have an adjustable elastic band and adjustable straps on the side as well. This is a 10-inch wig. This is definitely giving everyday wig. It's definitely giving everyday wig, but also like corporate baddie at the same time. So yes, let's go ahead and install this. This is a HD lace and it's glueless. So it is supposed to be real easy to install, y'all. So let's get into this wig real quick. She looking cute or whatever right now. I'm gonna make her look better though. First things first on the release. All right, you guys, I am done styling this hair. This wig is so cute. I just look like somebody's sexy ass mama. You hear me? It is so cute. It is the perfect amount of highlights. I love the little bump I put in here. The length is everything. I love when my hair doesn't sit on my shoulders. This is the wig, you guys. It's a 10-inch 5x5 closure with some chocolate brown highlights. It is a glueless wig. As you can see, I did go in and pluck the hairline a little bit more, but the lace did come bleached already. But I just plucked it just to make it look like a little bit more natural because I wanted to do like no baby hairs or anything. So yes, this is what the wig is looking like. It has a lot of movement, you guys. It just looks like a fresh cut. Like I'm like fresh out of the salon, you know, about to go have brunch with my girls, you know. I love it. I absolutely love this wig. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this wig. Thank you again, Luvme Hair, for sponsoring this video and sending over this wig to me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.